Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first challenge, let's take up our second challenge now, which is set up your first subscription product. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on this app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ. So here by clicking on this products tab, I'm just gonna search for virtual. So once if you get the result, click on this virtual meeting license followed by edit, which is right over here. So once if it is done, we are gonna scroll it down. So here for subscription pricing, we are going to change it as fixed price, and for subscription term, give it as 1. So once if it is done, click on save. So now if you scroll down by clicking on this related tab, so here you will find price book. So click on add standard price next to it. So here for this list price, give it as 8 and click on save. So guys, now I'm just going to search for Q followed by 000 followed by 33. So this is the code. We are going to click on it followed by edit lines, which is right over here. So here just click on add products and search for virtual meeting license over here. So once if you get the result, just click on it followed by select. So guys, here at the end you will find this view rate card. So just click on it. So click on this icon. Just select this. So if you are clicking, it won't open. So just click on this arrow which is at the end, just like this. So here you will find subscription term. Just click on the pencil icon and change it as 36. So once if it is done, click on save. So this is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So guys, here if you are getting this error, just go back and click on edit lines again. So we need to change the subscription term which is given right over here, change it as 36. So once it is done, click on save. And let's come back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our second challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.